Hey everyone, want to save money on your Bing Ads campaigns? In this video, we will show you how to add and use a promo code on Bing Ads. This way, we can get advertising credits and make the most of our ad budget. A Bing Ads promo code is an alphanumeric, one-time use voucher that gives account credit to help reduce PPC costs. Usually, it requires a minimum spend and is for new users. These coupons are added in the billing section, and only one can be active at a time. The purpose of a Bing Ads promo code is to give advertising credits or discounts to help lower the cost of running ads. Promo codes encourage new or returning advertisers to try the platform. These campaigns come with less risk and help us make the most of our ad spend while learning how Bing Ads works. Promo codes for Bing Ads can be found in promotional emails from Microsoft, in the Microsoft Advertising Dashboard under Billing or Promotions, and through official Microsoft Ads partners or special onboarding offers. Now, let's go through how to find and add a promo code in Bing Ads. First, open your browser or go to Bing, www.bing.com. Once on the home page, we go to the search bar. In the search bar, we type Bing Ads and then press Enter. You will see the search results, and the first result is Microsoft Advertising or Bing Ads. Click this one, and you will be taken to the Microsoft Advertising page. To enter your promo code, go to the left part of the page. You can find Billing here near the top of the settings. Click on Billing, and under Billing, you will see Coupon. Click this coupon, and you will see the coupon page. Here, you can see Add Promotional Code. Click this option and enter your code in the field. After entering your code, click Save. Now, we have added a promo code to our Bing Ads account and can start using advertising credits. Make sure to review the code terms so we get the most value from our campaigns.